Hi friends, this is a magnetic screen door and this is very helpful for summer for pets and kids that you can just put it outside the door so mosquito and anything will not come and the fresh air or if it is raining so the monsoon smell will come through it. So you can see it's a nice quality, nice stitch overall. This is a velcro and then comes with all the accessories like the mounting tape, the locks and covers. So this is a mounting tape, so I will show you the installation a little bit later on. And this is the straps to hold those screen doors, like if you want to keep it open, the pins if you want to for extra support, if you want to put it in a wooden base and the door. So you can see the mesh size, and this is the magnets for the automatic closing of the door covers. I'll show you the demo bit later, and these are all over in the doors thing so that it can just stick together and comes up. You can see the stitching and everything is nice. Now I'm just trying to install this screen door on my porch, like the outside door. And first you have to clean up the whole door where you want to actually stick this cover sheet. So just clean it properly so that no dust particles will be there that you know interfere with your sticking. The other thing is to put all this thing on top of the screen door, your mounting tape, so the wider one will come on the top and the thinner one will come on the sides. So sticking is pretty like it directly comes on the velcro. The extra one you can just cut with the scissor, the tape, and you can see this is a velcro tape, so just put directly on this velcro side. And the other side is the sticking side, so you can just take out this protective layer from it and then stick it to the door. So once you stick everything, the sides and stuff, for the side also it's same thing, you have to take out that protective layer for sticking. Yeah, so this one, the protective layer from the side, and just put it on the side. So after the installation, the screen door will look like this. And it said like it's an automatic closing thing, so it's actually helpful, like you don't have to bother, and then it will stick with this gravity and the magnetic strength. So see, like if you open it, it will just stick all together with each other. See, so it's pretty easy and cool. It's automatic stuff with the closing thing. You can see, like if somebody comes out of this door, it will just close on its own. See, like the kids going out and then it closes on its own, the whole door.